Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Mariam, and today we are making vegetable scrambled egg pie, and you are going to love it. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So, lovelies, let's get started. I'll be using 400 grams of soft flour. You can also use all-purpose flour. Grate in half nutmeg, a pinch of salt, and this is 1/8 teaspoon, and then mix everything together. I add 150 grams of margarine, and you can also use butter as well. And then rub in the margarine till we get something like a breadcrumbs. Alright, there we have gotten to our destination, and this is what we are looking for. So I did make something like a well in between like this. Add water. I know this video brightness is going to be a little bit down because there's lights out here, so guys, forgive me for that. And please make sure you don't overwork on your dough. And when it comes to the amount of water to use, it all depends on how you want your crust to be. If you want a very crunchy pie, then make sure that your dough is a little bit softer than mine. So I'm going to wrap that with my rubber wrap and then place this at room temperature. You can also store yours in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or 20 minutes. It's okay. Whilst our dough is resting, let's begin to make our filling, and I'll be using 4 eggs for this recipe. I add a pinch of salt and then mix everything with my fork. So I got my pan on fire, I pour in some oil, and I'm using vegetable oil. Allow it to heat up and then add the eggs. We are going to scramble some eggs. And as the name goes, vegetable scrambled egg pie. So already you have a clue of what we are doing. These are my vegetables, and I have shredded carrot here, spring onions, and also chopped onions. I add everything to it and then fry for 2 minutes. I add a little bit of oil, mix everything together. So I now add my seasoning powder, chili pepper, and also salt to your taste, okay? And also fry this for 4 minutes. So guys, these are the same vegetables, but this time around we are adding it just for crunchiness. So we are just going to fry this for just a minute, okay? And this time around the carrots are chopped ones, not shredded. So already you know we are going to get some kind of crunchiness in it. Now our filling is ready. Let's set that aside. It's already 30 minutes and we can now work on our dough. I'm going to divide it into 4. Alright, so this is my cup lid and that is going to be my cutter. Wow, take a look. Look at how beautiful they appear. So let's set that aside. Dust my board with a little bit of flour and then roll again. The thinner you roll your crust or your dough, the more crunchy your pie becomes, and that is also another thing. Alright, so now all is set. And this is my simple vegetable scrambled eggs. So now it's time to do the filling. So I just fetch a tablespoon like this. Glue it with water and then close it gently. Alright, press with your fingers and then seal it with your fork. So simple. Everybody can do this. Let's do that one more time. 1 tablespoon and then I glue it with water. Cover it gently and then I press with my fingers just like this. So simple, and then seal it with my fork. Everybody can do this, trust me. Even if this is your first time, still you can do it. And look at how beautifully it appears. We haven't fried it yet and it's already yummy. Okay, now let's speed up small. Wow, look at how beautifully they came out and they are ready to swim in oil. So this is my oil and we are going to allow it to heat up before we drop in our pie. I'll be frying on medium heat. My regulator is low, medium and high, so I'll be frying mine on medium heat, okay? And it's ready to receive its visitors. So I'm dropping in my pie. So as soon as you finish dropping, just begin to turn the pie, okay? It smells so good here. I love it. Oh, I can't wait. Somebody salivating. No, 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 no. Something is happening. My gas has finished. Sorry, we couldn't finish the frying process. I'm so sorry for this. I thought the gas can take me through the process, but I'm so sorry. But anyway, take a look. It's so simple and you can do it. Look at the inside. Our vegetable scrambled egg wrapping inside, and it's very yummy. Hope you give this a try, okay, and you are going to love it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up, and also remember to share this video. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love. Bye.